vessel name the bulk vessel. இது வந்து container type of vessel வந்து container type of vessel இருக்கு. இது வந்து bulk cargo. இந்த scrap, coal இந்த மாதிரி வந்து உண்டான cargo உண்டான vessel தான் இந்த bulk ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. ஃப்ரண்ட்டாக போயிடுங்களா? சார் crab. You have seen all the hatches, huh?
Yes, sir.
How it is working?
So, when we went there, two hatches were working on it.
Okay. How it is working?
Like through cranes, it was working.
In crane, you see this is a crane. How? What is going on? What is coming up? Which is through delivering the cargo? Huh? No, that is called gear. That is called gear. And crab. Crab is different type of crabs, using for coal, using for scrap, and they use magnet as a crab, and lot of things is there. So that is one of a crab you have seen there. Okay, if you lifting the coil from the hatch, the crab, the gears will be different. That will be lashing like this, and they will take out. There is no grab and all, only the lashes. If you take a plate, different type of gears. So crane will be there. The using gears is different. According to the plan of the student, it will be done. You can see this now vessel is not there. This is a crane, gantry crane. That gantry, while ship comes there, you see there lost. It coming like this. The jeep will go and pick the container from the ship and come back and deliver in the truck. You see some trucks are standing there and lost, you can see. It will and they will stack in the yard. How the lifting means, that is also a gear. The hole must be like this. The spreader will go like this and locked. All four lock. For 20 feet and 40 feet. The spreader will be expand. The spreader